my sweet friends. We are ready for week 12 of our Sounds First curriculum for our first graders. And one of the activities that took a slight shift is our manipulating syllables activity called Clap Away the Beats, part 2. The skill is to delete the first syllable from a 3-syllable word with the accent on the first syllable. Second syllable is just a vowel sound. For example, holiday to a day. Important note, like the last series in the manipulating syllable skill sequence, this one involves deleting the first syllable in a 3-syllable word that has the accent on the first syllable. What makes this new series more challenging is that the remaining middle syllable is made up of only a vowel sound, no consonant sounds. Say the first word, holiday. Do you hear how the syllable hall is accented or stressed in comparison to the other 2 syllables? Do you hear how the second syllable is made up of only a vowel sound? So to support this manipulation, you will continue to have students feel and hear the stressed and unstressed syllables through actions. We're going to clap on the accented syllable and a gentle thigh slap for each unaccented syllable. An optional extension of this activity has students identifying the vowel sound in the second syllable, capitalizing on a natural opportunity to review and reinforce those vowel sounds. So remember to focus on, our focus is on the sounds rather than the letters. In some cases, that might mean that you are hearing a vowel sound that is different from the letter you see, and that is okay. As in the prior series, we have the underlined words that many students are not likely to know that can be explained fairly easily and quickly. However, there are a number of words that cannot be explained so easily or quickly, and consequently, these are not underlined at this time. So further explanation is optional. The directions read, say the sentence rhythmically. As you reach the targeted word, clap when you say the first syllable. Then gently slap each thigh in turn while saying the other 2 unaccented syllables. It is important that you retain and carefully model the pronunciation from the targeted word as you say the syllable. This word should be spoken at almost normal speed. Just slightly stretch the syllables to support students in hearing each. Invite the students to repeat the sentence with you, making the movements with when speaking the targeted word. You may need to slow it down when students do it with you for the first few times until they get used to it. Tell the students to watch. Say, my turn, as you prompt for the deletion. What's an animal without an? Immediately show the result with the clapping, no voice, followed by a quick succession of thigh slaps while speaking the remaining 2 syllables. In this way, in the next step, the students effectively speak the word without the first syllable. Invite the students to do this too and say, your turn. All right, so the first one says that an animal is a zebra. The students will repeat, that an animal is a zebra. The teacher will say, my turn. What's animal without an? And then you'll show them animal. And you'll say, your turn. What's animal without an? Animal. Yes, animal without an is a mole. The next one. My favorite book character has magical powers. So we're going to show them with the motions. So we're going to say, my favorite book character has magical powers. You'll say, my turn. What's magical without Madge? And then you'll say, ickle. And you'll say, your turn. What's magical without Madge? The kids will say, ickle. Yes, magical without Madge is ickle. And so you'll continue doing that with the other examples. It says optional. After deleting the first syllable, ask students to identify the first sound they hear in the rest of the word. So the teacher might say, what is the first sound you hear in a day? Or what is the second syllable in holiday? And the students will say, I. Yes, we hear the vowel sound I. And so you can continue scaffolding that. That just gives you a little bit, the kids a little bit more practice with identifying those vowel sounds. So I hope you guys have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye.